Na tayo ha.
Yan, dito 100 ha. Dito ha.
Let's go. Hello po. Hi kuya. I want to introduce you my friend and family here.
Hello.
Ate Ina.
Nice to
and
meet
Kuya.
you. Nice to meet
It's my
you.
friend Gusto Tinta. He's a vlogger in New York. Ayun na pa ako naubusan ng gusto. This is Tito Eric.
Rick.
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing, brother? Nice to meet you.
This is my Kuya Vic.
Kuya Vic.
This is 8-pocket billiards. Nag-explore sa next week. I want to I bring you on then.
Yeah. And the evening at night?
Yeah. 5K. Thursday.
Alis lang naman yun eh.
Nice to meet you.
Gusto ko lang gusto ko lang show yung lugar natin.